Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I recently did this reroot on my Francie, but as you can see the part line is not super perfect. This can happen and it's no drama. Getting the perfect parting line on the first try isn't always easy. Here's a simple fix. Just go back and add a few more strands where needed. It's totally okay to do this. Getting the perfect part line sometimes takes a bit of tweaking. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be discouraged if it doesn't look right on the first try. Thanks for watching and happy rerooting!